So I've been reading your comments, and one of you guys asked me to do a dry scrubbing before and after review. That is why in this video I'm going to show you exactly that. So I decided to dry scrub every day for at least a minute daily, and I did that for a period of 4 weeks. I'm still doing that right now because I need to get the real results. Let's face it, dry scrubbing for a minute every day for a month is not going to take away the cellulite I've had for most of my adult life in just 1 month. But you know what, I documented it for you guys, and I'm going to share the results with you guys in this video. What is up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know we are in the bathroom now, but that's because I'm about to dry scrub. So dry scrubbing is so hot right now, and I've been doing it for about 3 years now, not consistently but whenever I remember, and it has so many benefits, some of them being it's great for your skin because it helps you exfoliate, so it helps take off that dead skin, it helps with blood circulation, and one of the reasons why I personally do it is because it helps me reduce cellulite. If you're watching this video, you probably watched 2 of my previous cellulite videos, and I explained to you guys exactly how dry brushing helps reduce cellulite. We are going to make use of this squatty potty. I just need to raise my legs so that you guys can see me. But if there is any habit you guys can adopt in 2021, it should be dry brushing, because it has so many benefits that are good for you aside from cellulite. I always like to start from down going up, which is the recommended way, basically going in circular motion. I'm so ashy. And then bring it up. I've already shown you guys this before, but I'm just showing you again for the sake of this video. Also, if you guys happen to be looking for a good dry brush, I'm going to leave links to some in the description box down below. By the way, dry brushing alone is not going to be what's going to take away the cellulite. There are so many other things you could do. Some people get procedures done, but if you don't want to do that, the best way to do this is by changing your lifestyle. And how do you change your lifestyle? By eating healthy, working out, feeding your body the stuff that it needs so that the fat and the toxins do not clump up under your skin. Just in case you guys are wondering what that means, let me finish dry scrubbing and explain to you guys how cellulite forms, because it's pointless for you to try and reduce the cellulite before understanding what exactly cellulite is. I'm also going to try for the next couple of months to do it for longer than 1 minute. My thighs are the biggest problem when it comes to cellulite, but when I'm dry scrubbing, I normally do it all over my body to promote proper circulation all around my body, not just my thighs. Yo, why is it so hard for me to hold my towel? I don't know if it's the same for you guys. Do you find trouble keeping your towel up? And for boys, it's so easy, my god. And yet it should be easier for us because we have boobs to close it up, to hold. Alright, I'm gonna shower and I will talk to you guys after. I just got out of the shower, dressed up to record the rest of this video, but I can hear my roommate showering and you guys can probably hear the water. I don't like that background noise, so I'm going to let him finish that, go to work, and later I will come tell you all about cellulite. It's the next day, guys. I wasn't able to record yesterday because when I got home I was tired. I am intermittent fasting and I need to eat. Whoa. I overcooked this because I was in the shower. Damn. My thighs are the biggest part of my body that when I walk it feels like Mrs. Trunchbull walked into the room. I carry most of my cellulite around my thighs, but that doesn't mean that I love my body any less. In fact, I love my body so much the way it is. I just always try to do what's right, trust the process, and doing what's right means eating well, staying fit, dry brushing, body scrubs, and so much more. As humans, we are more concerned about losing cellulite without understanding the cause of cellulite or what cellulite even is. So let me have my breakfast and then we can talk everything cellulite. Cellulite comes about when fat cells are accumulated below the skin, and what happens is that those fat cells have nowhere to go, so they push up the skin, and then up the skin we have fibrous peptides. I think I've butchered that word, I'll put the right word on the screen, that pulls down and causes our skins to form dimples and bumps that we call cellulite. One of the remedies that is recommended for cellulite is consuming a lot of collagen. What happens when this process happens, the push and pull, what happens is that the collagen strands are stretched out too much and they cannot stretch anymore, so they cause the bump so that they can fit in to the skin. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me know in the comment section down below if it makes sense. Another thing I want to talk about is the misconception that people always think cellulite comes on people that are overweight. That is so not true. There are so many things that can cause cellulite, one being genetics, maybe hormonal imbalance, and lifestyle. These are the top 3 things that cause cellulite. Most of us lie in the lifestyle part because we tend to eat things that our bodies don't need, and everything is stored under the body as fat, hence the cellulite. The thing is that even if you get work done, like you go under the knife and get everything done, if you're not able to change your lifestyle, that cellulite is going to come back. It's going nowhere. That's why I'm all about preaching healthy habits, healthy lifestyle that are going to help you long term, as opposed to quick fixes. And if you're here for a quick fix, my friend, I'm so sorry, this is not the video for you. So if you're looking to reduce your cellulite, have you noticed I use the word reduce, not remove? Because you can reduce it. I'm not sure if you can remove it, but you can reduce it, and the way to do that is by creating habits. People really take this whole habit creation thing very unseriously, let me say that, because sometimes they're like, oh my god, I'm dry brushing the same way I used to say that I was dry brushing in the past. Yes, I used to do it, but I would do it today and then do it again next week and then do it again the other week. You know what I mean? So you have to create habits, and the only way you can create habits that stick is by tracking your habits. Let me know in the comment section down below, how do you guys track your habits? Because for me, I use my notebooks. As you guys know, if you've been here, well, you guys know I'm like stuck to my notebooks. I have these little calendars that whatever habit I happen to be tracking, I just draw so many calendars and put the habit. I'll put a clearer picture of this on the side of the screen and just keep tracking every day that I do the habit. I tick. But you guys, guess what? I want to buy a notebook for 2021 and I cannot buy a notebook because of lockdown. Can you imagine? I had to go online and find a notebook, but then I realized, why the hell am I going to do that? So I'm just going to create a PDF version just like this one, and I do the little calendars. I don't know if you guys remember this. It was the October tracker that I shared with you guys. I'm going to make my own, print it out, and just use that instead. For now, I'm just going to make one for myself because I haven't been able to track anything this year. I'm still tracking in my regular notebook, but it's a notebook for 2020. I need a new notebook. Anyway, I'm talking too much. You guys came here to see some results. Let me show you the results. I didn't want to share my results because I felt like nothing changed, but to be honest, there's been a slight change and I don't expect it to change within 1 month. So see you guys in 3 months with an updated version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, of course, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends because it really supports my channel. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, love you all.